What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another Nike outlet find. Right here we have a pair of Flyknit 3 VaporMaxes in a very nice color. This is the white metallic silver colorway. I got them for about 120 Canadian dollars. That's like 85 US or something crazy like that. It's a really nice shoe right here. Great colorway, Flyknit 3 VaporMax. If you want a pair for yourself, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. I'm sure you can get a deal on these, maybe. Pretty nice pair of shoes here. We'll throw them on foot here. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Flyknit 3 VaporMaxes are kind of cool. I prefer Flyknit 2s, but these Flyknit 3s are slightly more comfortable, I think. Let's see how they look on foot. Finally have these fire kicks on foot, and as you can see they look pretty good with some joggers, so definitely check out the Amazon affiliate link to get yourself a pair of Xanarobe joggers to rock with your sneakers. The link's in the description.